This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Google Pixel phone. So if you're having an issue with it and you need to factory reset it, maybe you forgot the login password or something like that, you can just swipe up here and then you can just go to the power options and you can just turn it off. So you can just turn it off right here. Now if you don't have access to that, you can just hold down the power button and the volume up, just like this. And wait for it to turn off and then switch to the power button and volume down. So just continue to hold this down here and wait about 10 to 15 seconds. Phone's turned off, let go, and then press it back down again and switch buttons, power button, volume down. So you can see I'm just going to hold this down now and you should feel a vibration. Now if nothing is happening, let go and press it down again. And you should feel like a small vibration. Okay, now I'm in this screen. I want to go on down to recovery mode. Tap power. And then you're going to see the screen that says like no command or something. Hold down the power button. Tap, hold down the volume up button, tap power button. If that doesn't work, try holding down the volume down, tap power button. Or hold down the power button and tap volume up. So it's going to be one of those combinations where you just have to figure out the button press for your specific model. But it seems like power button volume up is the one that's going to be working. Now we can use the volume keys and going down to where it says wipe data, factory reset. Okay, we can press this and do it one more time and you can hard reset your Motorola phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.